Hey guys, welcome to Share Table Trust. If you're from a family where nobody is aware about stock market and trying to get clarification from them, and all that you get is stock market बहुत risky है बेटा. Stock market कभी भी ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है. ಏನಪ್ಪಾ अपन ಹಣ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಾರಿ ಹುಡುಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಯಾ FD में डालो बेटा अच्छा रिटर्न देगा. And if you're fortunate enough to get funds, then all you get to hear is unrefined opinions. आप इस पे इन्वेस्ट कीजिए, आप उस पे इन्वेस्ट कीजिए. आप इस पे इन्वेस्ट करेंगे तो 10 साल बाद आपको 10 करोड़ मिलेगा. अगर आप 520 में 1 रुपया इन्वेस्ट कर चुके होते तो अब वो 1 रुपया 1 क्वाड्रिलियन बन चुका होता. अरे यार, no words describe. I mean, I can just say.
चुप, बिल्कुल चुप. हिम्मत कैसे हुई तेरी मुंह खोलने की?
If you are confused between myth and fact, then here we are. Today, let us bust some myths. Myth 1. Positive news related to a share leads to increase in price of that share. Yeah, this is the major misconception among new traders or investors. But the fact is a bit different. The fact is that the big players will already be having an idea about the result. They just wait market to blow up and book profits on or before results, resulting in price fall. Myth 2. Stock market is like gambling, wherein you lose money. This is an old school thought. From our childhood, we have been taught that stock market is for aristocrats. And if you're gonna invest in stock market, it's gonna blow up. To be honest, in my experience, luck plays only a percent of its part. Remaining 99% is based on your skills and experience. If you have enjoyed the video and you have learned something from this video, please like and subscribe. And press the bell icon to keep yourself updated on our video.